Coolest friend called me up the other day. He was in town if I'd come down to see him play. I must admit, to see his sheer height of fashion could have also dragged me into some deep depression, for the stars will stay far away. So I passed by and sneaked in through the old stage door, humble just to stumble on this track of fame once more. I must admit it was a sheer height of passion, a glimpse of a life in some other dimension, for the stars will stay far away. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. There was this girl at the show the other day, too good to be true or to simply go astray. I must admit, to hear her enthused confessions could have easily dragged me into some deep depressions, for the stars will stay far away. I gave my best to enjoy a swell party, introducing my old friend to this girl named Astarte. I must admit I had to cool down my envy, but then again I had my moments of plenty, where the stars won't stay far away. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon. No need to dare, no need to plan, no need to importune, for I'm a second man on the moon. I'm just a second man on the moon.